Hey everybody, how are you? Happy Monday. I hope you had a great weekend. Man, I tell you, it was a busy weekend here in Chicago and actually probably all over our country. I want to thank those of you that went out and protested peacefully for the No Kings Day. I know we had probably 20,000 people from what I'm hearing in Chicago that was protesting, and here is a picture of that downtown. Really amazing. So just love people out being in solidarity and peace and wanting a better country than all the chaos and everything that's going on. So thank you again for friends and people I don't know that showed up to that. Wonderful. This weekend, boy, it was exciting. I was at a Bears on Cork, a wine event, kind of a competition wine tasting kind of thing. And this month was a white blend, a dry white blend, and well, I guess just a regular white blend. I think one person had a sweet wine there for tasting, but guess who won? This guy came home with 5 bottles. So those will be drank in with friends, and until the right time comes along. So I have those. It was really great. But yeah, and it was Midsommar Fest, and thanks to everybody in Andersonville, all the vendors and everything that did such a great job. The weather turned out to be really good on Saturday, and Sunday was perfect. Ending with 16 Candles, a local band that's really well known that does a lot of cover songs from the 80s, 90s, and some. And they're like one of my favorites, and they're always at the street festival. If you haven't been to Chicago, we have different neighborhoods, of course, like any big city, but we have street festivals to celebrate those neighborhoods, and it's great. So Midsommar Fest kicked off the summer, and you're going to see video at the very end of this that I took, and I hope you enjoy it. It celebrates our summer kickoff. Next big event is next weekend for Pride Fest here in Chicago, and the weekend after that is going to be our huge Pride Parade that's right here in East Lakeview. So that's what's happening. Busy week. I still have openings for lecture gigs for this month, so contact me ASAP. I would love to come to your company, corporation, or event and showcase and bring people together in such a trying time for all of our communities, and be there in solidarity and allyship as we move forward, as always. So thanks for watching. Enjoy the video at the very end. Have a great Monday. Have a great few days ahead, and I will connect with you again this week. Of course, I'll be here. I hope you will too. Take care.